Hi, my name is Elizabeth Preston. I'm an executive consultant at Hurley Wright Inc., and I'm excited to be your coach. Coaching is terrific for improving your writing faster, for receiving feedback that is personalized to you, and for receiving feedback in a criticism-free environment. I'm not there to tell you everything that's wrong. Rather, I'm there to tell you what you're doing well and should keep on doing, as well as what areas there are for improvement and how to improve in those areas. So expect support rather than criticism during our coaching session. You have two options for coaching. One, submit a document for my feedback. Two, submit a document and schedule a one-on-one coaching session with me in which we'll go over my comments and I can answer any questions that you may have. To get the most out of your coaching, I recommend that you submit a document of roughly 3 pages long. My comments will focus on reiterating the concepts you learned in our workshop, and my comments will provide you with sources you can use to improve your writing skills. Once you send me your document, I'll share my availabilities with you so that you can book a 30-minute coaching session if you wish. My email is elizabeth@hurleywright.com. That's ELIZABETH @hurleywright.com. I look forward to working with you.